By 2025, the amount of fresh water available per capita worldwide will have dropped by more than 30% compared with resources available in 1995. Water withdrawal for domestic and industrial use will have soared by 50% since 2000 and by nearly 20% for agriculture. How can we continue to produce drinking water while easing the strain on water resources? Groundwater is a major resource for drinking water production. It provides the cleanest source of fresh water and is also the easiest to treat. In 2020, over 25% of the world's people will depend on groundwater for their water supply. However, the amount of water drawn from aquifers will far outweigh their ability to replenish resources naturally, with overuse leading to a severe drop in water tables and causing a number of problems, such as subsidence and deterioration in water quality. So where does the solution lie? Advances in research will allow us to replenish groundwater. Soil analysis makes it possible to identify aquifers that can be recharged using special wells. These wells can replenish groundwater with reclaimed water treated using state-of-the-art technology. As a result, the natural water cycle can be preserved in a sustainable manner. Rivers are another crucial resource. They provide a natural supply of fresh water, but are sometimes highly polluted. How can we make river water fit to drink? While today we are able to rid river water of nearly all impurities, advances in research over the next few years will bring more widespread use of high-performance treatment systems. Water flows through membranes that filter the water like a very fine sieve to remove impurities. Rivers and aquifers are vital resources, but they are not enough. By 2020, the amount of fresh water available to each of the world's people will represent only 1/3 of resources available in 1950. In China, renewable freshwater resources will be dried up by 2030. So where will we find other sources of supply? The sea is one solution. It offers a virtuously limitless resource. Yet, although water covers 72% of Earth's surface, 97% of it is salt water. However, for dry coastal regions, the sea is the only way to provide a major source of drinking water to meet the demands of population growth and economic development. But how can we make that water fit for drinking? Reverse osmosis is an effective means of seawater desalination. It involves using high pressure to push the water through a membrane that traps the salt, organic matter, and impurities. Unfortunately, this kind of technology is extremely energy intensive and creates a saline discharge. By 2020, we will have optimized the energy required to treat water and will be using renewables available along the coastline. Wind turbines, marine current power, photovoltaics, ocean thermal energy conversion. New techniques will reduce the salinity of discharge before it is returned to the natural environment, thereby neutralizing its impact. At the same time, biomonitoring systems will ensure we keep a watchful eye on marine ecosystems. Advances in research will help offset the environmental impact of desalination wherever possible. Seawater provides a real reservoir for the production of drinking water in dry countries.